Are you ready? Our first book is English Alphabets book. Let's start from the letter A. This is a capital A. This is lowercase a. A sounds A. A is for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Our next letter is B. B. This is capital B. This is lowercase b. B is for ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Our next letter is C. C. This is capital C. This is lowercase c. C sounds K. C is for cat. C-A-T, cat. Our next letter is D. D. This is capital D. This is lowercase d. D sounds D. D is for duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Our next letter is E. E. This is capital E. This is lowercase e. E sounds A. E is for eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Our next letter is F. F. This is capital F. This is lowercase f. F sounds F. F is for fruit. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Our next letter is G. G. This is capital G. This is lowercase g. G sounds G. G is for girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Our next letter is H. H. This is capital H. This is small h. H sounds H. H is for house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Our next letter is I. I. This is capital I. This is lowercase I. I sounds I. I is for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Next letter is J. J. This is capital J. This is lowercase j. J sounds J. J is for joker. J-O-K-E-R, joker. Next letter is K. K. This is capital K. This is lowercase k. K sounds K. K is for kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. Next letter is L. L. This is capital L. This is lowercase l. L sounds L. L is for lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. Next letter is M. M. This is capital M. This is lowercase m. M sounds M. M is for mug. M-U-G. Mug. Next letter is N. N. This is capital N. This is lowercase n. N sounds N. N is for nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Next letter is O. O. This is capital O. This is lowercase o. O sounds O. O is for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Next letter is P. P. This is capital P. This is lowercase p. P sounds P. P is for pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Next letter is Q. Q. This is capital Q. This is lowercase q. Q sounds Q. Q is for quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Next letter is R. R. This is capital R. This is lowercase r. R sounds R. R is for robot. R-O-B-O-T. Robot. Next letter is S. S. This is capital S. This is lowercase s. S sound S. S is for shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Next letter is T. T. This is capital T. This is lowercase t. T sounds T. T is for turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Our next letter is U. U. This is capital U. This is lowercase u. U sounds U is for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Our next letter is V. V. This is uppercase V. This is lowercase v. V sounds V. V is for violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. Next letter is W. W. This is uppercase W. This is lowercase w. W sounds W. W is for watch. W A T C H. Watch. Next letter is X. X. This is uppercase X. This is lowercase x. X sound X. X is for xylophone. X Y L O P H O N E. Xylophone. Next letter is Y. Y. This is capital Y. This is lowercase y. Y sounds Y. Y is for yacht. Y A C H T. Yacht. Our next and the last letter is Z. Z. This is uppercase Z. This is lowercase z. Z sounds Z. Z is for zoo. Z O O zoo.